Disclaimer: this report is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The writer is not a SEBI-registered advisor and holds no responsibility for any investment decisions or losses. Welcome to Pakka Limited, a company dedicated to providing innovative packaging solutions. As we delve into this presentation, you'll discover the unique offerings and strategic direction of this dynamic organization. Pakka Limited, established in 1981, is a leading manufacturer and trader of specialty packaging solutions. With operations in Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, the company focuses on two main segments: specialty papers and pulp, and molded tableware products. Their facilities are equipped to handle significant production capacities, ensuring they meet the growing demand for eco-friendly packaging. Pakka Limited operates two primary business segments. The paper and pulp segment is the core of their operations, offering a range of products for food wrapping and packaging. This segment has seen a revenue growth of 34%, driven by a 5% increase in paper sales. The molded products segment, under the brand Chuck, provides compostable tableware, catering to both domestic and export markets. This segment has also shown promising growth with new product launches on the horizon. Pakka Limited boasts an impressive clientele, serving both domestic and F&B retail sectors. Their partnerships with renowned brands like Haldiram's, IKEA, and Amul highlight their strong market presence and commitment to quality. The historical performance of Pakka Limited showcases a steady growth trajectory in revenues, EBITDA, and net profit. Their financial metrics, including EBITDA margin, gearing, and ROCE, reflect a robust and sustainable business model. Pakka Limited has a diverse geographical market split, with 75% of their business in the domestic market and 25% in exports. They have successfully expanded their reach to over 31 countries, including major markets like the USA, Canada, and Russia. Looking ahead, Pakka Limited has ambitious expansion plans, with a total capex of 675 crore rupees. They are focusing on expanding their Ayodhya site and commissioning a new plant in North America. These expansions are set to increase their production capacities significantly by 2027. Pakka Limited's key financial ratios and shareholding patterns provide insights into their financial health and ownership structure. The company maintains a balanced debt-to-equity ratio and has a stable shareholding pattern, ensuring confidence among investors. In conclusion, Yash Pakka Limited is transitioning into a global player in sustainable packaging. With a focus on innovation and strategic expansion, they are well positioned for future growth. Their commitment to flexible packaging and international presence, especially in North America, signals a significant growth runway ahead. For further information, look references in detail. Remember, this is not financial advice, and you should conduct your own analysis before making any investment decisions.